Learn 10 new words today, their meanings and opposites. Plus, check out how to frame sentences using each of these words which start with the letter A. A warm welcome to my channel again. Majubin with you, and this is Class Remotely. Let's get started. The first word is abbess. Abbess means a woman in a religious order. The opposite of abbess is monk. So sentence number 1 with the word abbess. The abbess fed the children of the community with bread and milk every Sunday. Sentence number 2. The novel narrates the story of a young abbess who visited the woods on moonlit nights. Word number 2, abscond. It means to run away. The opposite of abscond is appear. Now sentence number 1, using the word abscond. The 3 friends had no money to pay for the bill, so they absconded through the back door of the restaurant. Sentence number 2, the man absconded to London the moment he came to know that a case had been filed against him. Word number 3, abash. It means to embarrass. Antonym is suit. The opposite of abash is suit. So sentence number 1, my boss's sudden remark left me feeling rather abashed. I was abashed to ask for some money from my roommate. Word number 4, abandon. It means to quit or to dump. Opposite is adopt. Sentence number 1, using the word abandon. We found an abandoned cottage in the middle of the forest. Sentence number 2, he abandoned his plan to go abroad when his mother fell sick. Word number 5, abduct. It means to kidnap, and the opposite is release. Sentence number 1, using the word abduct. It has been 3 years since Martha was abducted while returning from school. The abducted youngsters fled from the bungalow during the cyclone. Word number 6, absolute. The meaning is complete. The opposite of absolute is uncertain. Sentence number 1, using the word absolute. When it comes to dancing, I am an absolute beginner. Sentence number 2, our plan to go camping became an absolute disaster with the onset of the heavy rains. Word number 7, absorb. The meaning is to take in, and the opposite of absorb is disperse. Sentence number 1, using the word absorb. I was so stunned by her words that it took me a while to absorb what she was saying. The scrap of blotting paper has absorbed all the spilled ink. Word number 8, access. It means means of entry. The opposite is outlet. So the first sentence, although we have been living as next door neighbors for the past 5 years, I never got any access to their home. Sentence number 2, how can we access their backyard without alerting them? Word number 9, accommodate. It means to make room, and the opposite is reject. So the first sentence, Timothy wondered if they would be able to accommodate him for the night. Sentence number 2, we are shifting to a bigger campus as we want to accommodate more students in our college. Word number 10, accompany. It means to escort, and the opposite is desert. Sentence number 1, using the word accompany. The 2 brothers were to accompany their uncle to Paris. Sentence number 2, I don't like to be accompanied by my maid while I go shopping. but mom never allows me to go out alone. That's all for today. Let me know what you feel about the sentences. Frame your own sentences in the comment section. I would really love to read them. Meet you very soon with another video. Take care. Bye.